Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series by eLinks. In this video, we are going to explain the new enhancements and overview of the PrintGizmo dashboard. You are presented with the dashboard view upon a successful login to PrintGizmo. Let's start from the left side of the dashboard screen and work our way to the right side. The first visual we see is your company logo. From anywhere within PrintGizmo while the menu sidebar is open, clicking on the company logo will bring you back to the dashboard view. Below are the favorite links. These 5 icon visual links can be customized by clicking on the down arrow next to your name in the right upper corner and selecting Set up Favorite Links. You can set up a maximum of 5 links as favorite links. To set up a link as a favorite, select the link icon by clicking on the down arrow, then select the link name from the drop-down list. Recommend link will show the default links that are generally used often. However, you can change them as per your needs. Next, we have the menu sidebar. Here we can find the main menu selections and submenus by simply clicking on your desired menu choice. Depending on your user level and organization or company, this menu may look different. To collapse and expand the menu sidebar, click the chevron or arrow at the bottom of the menu selections. Moving to the top center of your screen, we have the dedicated search bar. With this search bar, we can filter to a particular type of information or category such as orders, quotes, customers, products, predefined products, contents, and templates. Let's look up an order for this example, order 18913. After entering the order number and pressing enter, PrintGizmo will display the order information such as production order number, order details, payment and shipping information, date information, total amount, and order status. Moving across the top bar to the right, we see the customized report and page pin. Here you will find all of the reports and pages that you have pinned. To the right is the cache control icons. Here we can turn PrintGizmo caching on or off and clear the cache by clicking on the delete icon. We recommend leaving the cache turned on. Next, we have the downward-facing chevron or arrow. This will open the HTML help page in a new window when clicked. This is useful when composing an email template or adding HTML code where needed. Next, we have the front organization button that looks like a computer screen. This will take us to the front organization login screen. The green icon button with the quote balloons is your access to our support chat. Here you can contact one of our support gurus to help with any challenges or questions you may have during our normal business hours. During off hours, please use our help center as responses may be delayed. The next button to the right with the question mark will take you to our help center with useful information and our vast knowledge base for PrintGizmo. The purple bell icon button is where you can find your notifications. The icon will display the number of unread notifications in a red balloon next to the bell. You may turn on desktop notifications by placing a check mark in the drop-down window next to the desktop notification. The first time you select to turn on notifications, your browser will ask for permission. Click Allow. Now when a new notification arrives, it will be displayed at the bottom of your screen. The last area on the top bar displays the currently logged in user. Let's click the drop-down menu as shown earlier during favorite links. Here, besides having the ability to select your favorite quick links, you can also change your password and log out. The broken square box below the logged in username box is the full screen toggle. By clicking the block, you can place the main dashboard in full screen mode. This will hide the sidebar and top bar menus. Clicking the box again will bring the screen back to default mode. Across the top of the main screen, we see the organization quick links. These links provide information about how many orders there are, how many of those orders are active, quotes, inventory, department, users, printers, products, and templates. We can click the down arrow on the side of the button to view departments or add new ones. The drop-down options are similar for users, printers, products, and templates. Clicking any of these buttons will bring up the selected information. Below the organizational buttons are the customized widgets. These widgets are selectable by clicking the white setup gear in the blue circle located in the right corner of the main desktop. From the menu, you can select the widgets you do and or do not want to be displayed. You can move the widgets around on the desktop in a functional order that works best for your workflow. Each widget is live. This means not only do they display the information, you can additionally view and/or edit the information by clicking on the available links. For more detail on the different organizational widgets and links, please consult our knowledge base. We hope this tutorial was useful and helps you to better understand PrintGizmo's dashboard. If you have any questions or challenges, please feel free to contact one of our support gurus. Thank you for watching.